Creating an email template is really easy to do, and you can really build some amazing looking templates that you can use directly inside of your chatbots. To create a new email template, just press the top right button, New Email Template, and from here you can give it a name and a subject. Once done, press Create and you will see the email template in the overview. You can edit the template by pressing the button, and this will bring you to the email template builder. You can build with any of the right-hand blocks. As you can see, you will have different kinds of tabs, like a content tab, if you want to have columns, buttons, headings, HTML, images, menu, and text. The other tab will be blocks, where you can build specific blocks. So if you want to have a 1-column, if you want to have a 2-column layout, 3-column, and so on. And you can also adjust the body. So you can adjust the text color, the background color, the content width, the content alignment. You will be able to set up the font family, and you'll also be able to set up the pre-header text in advance, along with the link color and whether or not the link needs to be underlined. Now, if you do not want to build from scratch, you can also access the sample templates. If you go to the top left corner, you will have the sample templates option here. Once pressed, you will see that you will have some amazing looking templates already that you can fully customize to your own liking. You can just scroll through them, and if there is not a particular one to your liking, you can also say load more, and you will see a new set of elements being generated for you. If we, for example, go with the appointment reminder, you will see that it is imported within just seconds. You can adjust anything to your own liking by just clicking there, and you can update the text, as you can see, really easily. You can make it bold and have anything a regular editor has as well. You can also adjust the images. Once pressing the image itself, on the right hand side you will be able to upload your image or go with an image URL instead. You also have the option to make it good on mobile. So you will be able to work from desktop and also see how it looks like on mobile and make necessary adjustments. Once done, you can just press save and close, and the email template will be updated for you to use inside of any of your chatbots.